Alright guys, got the truck, got the trailer, headed down south to go pick up a Mustang. Probably do a little swap in it, but here to pick up my buddy right now, so he should be here. We're gonna vlog this whole thing.
Idiot. Like what?
How many are there? Two?
Two with 2 greens.
Alright, and I got one of the other greens from him, so. My lights working on this trailer?
I don't know, I had a problem with them too, but I just sent 10. This was like shorted on the side.
I feel like you break everyone's trailer that works.
They wouldn't work with that Jeep, I don't know.
Alright, Chris, you ready to get this Mustang?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. You got Mustang Madness right now?
No, no Mustang Madness.
No Mustang Madness?
No,
Why not?
Not a Ford guy. Let's do it.
We're gonna LS swap it?
No.
You don't want to LS swap it?
No, it's Japanese swapping.
With a Beamer?
That's European.
European? What the fuck?
You can fuck that whole thing
Let's do a
up.
Honda swap it. Sounds like a K20?
You can fuck the whole thing up.
No, we're good. What do you know about them waffle fries?
Pretty good.
Well, we got her picked up. Good thing their driveway was downhill and we were able to just yeet it onto the trailer, but a little rougher than I wanted.
You show them the strap.
The strap.
500 pounder.
Gonna need a new front bumper. Apparently I forgot one of my other straps, so we got the nice little 400 pounder right there. A little bit of a low tire. I was totally space checking that because you forgot my hitch.
Whatever happens, happens.
Yeet. Hey guys, I got home pretty late last night. Didn't do anything to it last night, just kind of left it on the trailer. Figured I'd do some diagnostics on the trailer real quick. Guy drain the oil out of it, put some oil in it, try to crank her over. It's got no fuel, looking like a fuel pump. So gonna get a fuel pump in her and just see what it does. Supposedly it's got a rod knock, but hopefully she'll do some good burnouts. Whether or not it's got a rod knock or not, you know, we'll find out. Have some fun with her, throw a new motor in her. All right guys, so just got the new fuel pump in. I'm gonna give it a shot, see what happens, and see if she runs. Woo! Let's get it. Woo! She got rod knock hardcore. Start up again. Turn it off. I'm gonna pop this valve cover off because it sounds pretty high in the motor. It doesn't sound like a knock. It sounds extremely high, so it is burning. Yeah, it also just started up for the first time in 2 years. It sounds extremely high. It's definitely on the left bank, but you literally can put your hand on the valve cover and it feels like something's hitting it. So I would not be a bit surprised if a rocker popped off or something. So that's pretty easy to pop off. So pop that guy off real quick and see what happens. Well, yeah, it's definitely a rod knock. Pull the valve cover off, everything looks good, and there's a bunch of metal flake in the oil. So definitely got a bottom-end issue. That ruined the enjoyment of doing a fat burnout in it. Absolutely not. Now are we, AJ?
Absolutely. You gotta get the smoke going in all directions, front and back.
So we're just gonna do a little quick one tonight. Just, you know, not nothing too big. But then tomorrow when it's light outside, gotta do some donuts too, you know. But let's see how this thing sounds while knocking and doing a Brody. I test out that 1-2. Yeet yeet.
bet the neighbors
I think
love
the
it.
neighbors are a little angry. A little angry.
I bet they love it. Smells great.
It starts. It still starts.
She lives till tomorrow.
Alright, so that was pretty lame at first, I'm not gonna lie. So this thing sat for 2 years before I got it. Obviously it was missing pretty hard. Definitely dead in a couple cylinders. I don't know if I had just some buildup on the spark plugs or... Ain't that bad.
Done.
I think she's done.
Dude, she was done back here. Oh, she's... That's oil.
She's done. The thing does not like to spin posi.
Well, it's not got any power. You probably just threw a fucking piston to the bottom, dude.
Oh no, rod's definitely down. Alright. Think it'll start?
No?
I'm gonna get some key litter out here now.
Better.
It says service engine. Engine's still there. I don't think it's gonna start. It definitely didn't like that second gear drop out back there. Just bleh.
Yeah. No, it dropped it out. It dropped it out.
Did it do that for second gear, or was that the first
That
gear?
was
But it
that was when you're going in reverse and kicked it in. At least it's fresh oil, so it won't smell so bad.
I don't think it's gonna start.
She done.
So I guess that was a little fun while it lasted. She's done. She's done for good. Got a little bit clean up now. She spit her guts out back here when that second gear drop. And it was definitely piston. Like, that's a piston skirt right there. You can see the Teflon coating. Hell yeet! Alright, now time to find a new motor.